A very good morning to all of you. This is a worksheet. As you can see, it is about skip counting. How we can introduce the skip counting, already I have made a video about that. You can just check in my video list. So now after the child has understood what is skip counting, we can go with this kind of worksheet. Here are 8 activities and how you can choose the activity that helps your child, and your child takes interest in that kind of activity, and then you can regularly practice. What happens is that if we give the same activity to the child, generally the child sometimes gets bored, so you can just pick up any random from this, and then you can ask the child to do. So here first one is skip count by 2. So here it is a very simple activity which I started with when I was teaching Anaika. It is just joining. Generally children love joining, but before we tell them to join, what I did was that if it is skip count by 2, so I just have to put 2 dots here so that it becomes easier for the child to count. Also we have to tell the child that whenever skip counting is given, we have to start with the number by which it skip counts. For example, here it is 2, so the child has to start with 2. So she will understand she has to start joining from here. So 2, after 2, 3, 4. So the child joins 4. After 4, 5, 6. The child joins 6. After 6, 7, 8. The child joins 8. After 8, 9, 10. The child joins 10. Has to do it. And going to the next one, here I have drawn a picture of skip count because here the child has to write the skip counting. So you can tell that we have to jump by 2, and also here you can also do the 2 dots, because I have found that this dot method is very easy. Once they are very habituated with the dot method, you can ask them to count the fingers with 2 fingers. Same thing, what they were doing with the dot they will do with the finger, but generally child are not able to count with fingers. So start with these dots and then you can proceed to fingers. So the child writes here 2, after 2, 3, 4. The counting also becomes very clear by this. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. It goes on. Numbers. Now here also the child can, as it is 3, so the child has to put 3 dots here. Now you have to already, as you told that whenever it is skip counting by the number, we have to start from that number. So the child has to circle from 3. Now after 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here is 6. Now 7, 8, 9. See how easy it becomes for the child. Generally children love the cutting and pasting activity, so I have done it in this way. For example, if your child is reluctant to do this one, writing one, then you can introduce this one first. 2-3 times you introduce this one, the child will get thorough with this, and then you can go to the writing part. Or if your child is writing, sometimes you can give writing, and sometimes you can give this kind of cutting pasting activities, because it becomes very monotonous if you only give them to write, and they also get bored with this. Whenever this activity comes, they will not feel like doing it. So just in case whichever you want, according to their mood, you can use that kind of activity. Dots, 3 dots, and then after 3, 4, 5, 6. So the child has to find where is 6. Here is 6. So the child has to fix 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Where is 9? Here is 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12. Where is 12? Here it is 12. After 12, 13, 14, 15. So this finding and putting and pasting activity is really very, very effective. At least in my case, I have found that. So here this is done. Let's go to the next activity. So here skip counting, here again the writing activity, and here I have given a mix of both 2 and 3. So first you can tell the child to do here 2 dots near 2, and here 3 dots near 3. So in 2 the child has to write again 2, after 2, 3, 4. The child has to write 4. After 4, 5, 6. The child has to write 6, and it goes on. These arrow marks show that it is jumping, so that they will remember that this is skip counting. In the same way for 3 also, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, goes on. Wherever it is skip counting for 2. Now here it will start, of course, as we told the child that it starts with 2. Whenever which number we are skip counting, that number it will start with. So first will be 2. After that, sorry, I forgot to put the dots. You can put the dots after 2, 3, 4. So the child takes another sticker and puts it on 4. Here what happens is that when it is an order, the child sees that it is jumping 2 times. First 1, then 2, then leaving 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is also a very good activity for visualization, because generally these kids of this age, they visualize and they remember much better. Okay, so it will go on. The next one is color the boxes with. Coloring is a favorite activity of children. They love doing it. So you can take any light colors and then you can ask the child. It is keep counting of 3. So as usual, you can ask the child to put the 3 dots and then go on, start counting. For example, it starts with 3. So the child has to color this box 3. And then after 3, 4, 5, 6. So the child will color the box 6 and goes on. The last activity is one of my favorite because my daughter loves this activity a lot. Apples on the trees. So nothing simple like the box activity, but only I have changed the design here to make it more interesting. So same here, skip counting of 2. First the child has to put the 2 dots and then can start pasting the apples. So it will start with 2. The child has to find out where is the number 2 apple. So here it is. After 2, 3, 4. After 4, 5, 6. After 6, 7, 8. After 8, 9, 10. So it goes on. So I feel you can take any activity according to your necessity and what your child loves, because I have already given 8 activities. So just interchange the activities and make them practice. First go with 2 and 3. After they are very thorough with 2 and 3, you can jump to 4 and 10 and 5. 10 is very important and very easy to learn. So and they catch it very fast. So just go along with it. And why skip counting is important? Because they help the child to learn the tables in the next grades when they go to higher grades. So it's a very nice way of teaching them skip counting. And I hope that you like my video. If you like such activities, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.